What's up, everybody? I'm Sheldon, and this is The Beach Show, your only internet TV show about real estate from Panama City Beach and beyond. Beachy Beach. Today we're in Santa Rosa Beach at 45 Hatton Court in Church StreetVillage. Y'all come on and check it out. This house has some amazing features about it. First and foremost, it has 2 ACs. So you got a thermostat for upstairs and downstairs. It's a 4-bedroom, 3.5 bath. They have this beautiful brick pavers out on the back patio that's amazing, just makes it real warm, cozy, and fuzzy. One of the other things that I really love is you have an option for a master bedroom downstairs or upstairs. One of the other things I love is that upstairs, one of the bedrooms is converted into an office space, but it's done so in such a way that you can still live in it comfortably in the bedroom. I know all my gamer friends out there would love it. Not only does Church StreetVillage have an amazing pool, but they also have a fitness center. And I want to talk about the close proximity to the beach. You're just minutes away from Ed Walline Beach Access, which is a public beach access. And anybody who knows anything about 30A, you have public beach accesses, and then you have neighborhood beach accesses. Public is what you want if you don't live on the beach in front of that area. Don't forget to hit the link below if you want more details on this property. And don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button so you don't miss out on future properties that you may want in the future.